According to most people, green bananas are boring. But when it comes to making delicious recipe, trust me for a good recipe. So today, I'm going to be showing you a very simple and easy green banana stir fry, which is going to turn out full of umami, very delicious, and it's going to be loaded with lots of veggies. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. Wrap up your fresh ingredients ahead, and I've already done that. So we have some carrots, onions, garlic, zucchini, green bananas that are peeled, washed, and soaked in water so that they don't oxidize. We have some salt, black pepper, and a few sauces, and you're going to find everything in the description box down below. So we are going to get straight into cooking our stir fry by placing a pot over medium flame. Then I'm going to transfer my green bananas that are chopped into bite-sized pieces. Add in a little bit more water. Salt for seasoning. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon. Wait for the water to come to a boil and boil your green bananas for around 4 to 5 minutes. And also it's going to depend on the size that you've chopped up your bananas. After 5 minutes, this is how your green bananas are going to be looking. As you can see, a fork can run through. So you're going to put out the flames, cover, and drain off the water. Once done, you're going to uncover your pot and let the excess moisture escape. And this is going to make the green bananas less mushy. I'm going to place a pan over medium flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is ready, you're going to add in your half-moon onions, garlic. Saute for around a minute. Once the kitchen is smelling incredible and your onions and garlic are well cooked, you're going to add in some black pepper. I'm going to add in a pinch of black pepper, throw in my carrots, zucchini, toss the veggies together with the black pepper. When making a stir fry, you don't want to overcook the veggies, so I'm going to add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oopsie. Toss the veggies together with the sauce, and this is going to add in salt to the stir fry. Then next, you're going to add back your boiled green bananas, which are already salted. Toss together with the delicious, flavorful veggies, and just look how awesome everything is looking. You want all the nice flavors to coat the green bananas. So you're going to cook for around a minute. At this point, I'm going to check the seasoning. So good. Soy sauce is high in sodium, so the stir fry is well sorted. But if you find that yours is not, you can add in a little bit more salt. Because you don't want to overcook your delicious stir fry, you're going to transfer to a plate and serve. This looks absolutely gorgeous. This is how my stir fry is looking, and as you can see, the green bananas are coated with the sauce. The veggies are soft also, and yeah, everything is looking amazing. So this is a very nice way that you can whip up some delicious lunch or dinner in a matter of minutes, and your green bananas are going to turn out awesome. Yeah, so grab the sauces, which are the key ingredients, and try out this recipe.